Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create Uber Ride account. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! The transportation company, which launched in San Francisco in March 2009, has grown to become one of the most successful startups history, boasting uh, more than 75 million active users around the world. So, changes are you've used Uber to get somewhere you needed to go before, but if you haven't and are curious about this, in this video I will show you how to create the Uber Ride account on your. It's very simple. So first of all, you can install the apps on your App Store or Play Store, the Uber Ride. This one, request a ride. After that, you can just open it, get started. You can continue with your phone number. You can open with, you can choose Chrome. You can continue by enter your phone number, or you can continue with Google account, with Apple account, or with your email. For example, we'll just try to use with my Google account. Okay, can choose the account, continue, can wait. But you still need to enter your phone number. So you can enter your phone number. Now tap on next. Don't forget to agree for the accepts Uber's terms and review privacy notice. Tap on next. You can choose the payment option, but I will just skip this tab. Just do it later. So now you have your Uber account, your Uber ride. It's very simple, right? Here's the services, your activity, and here's your account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create Uber Ride account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.